Hello everyone, it's me, Chanel, and welcome back to the channel. 5 ways to make your home smell amazing. Like to see more of ways to make your home smell amazing, I have another video regarding this same topic. The video will be linked below in the description box, and stay tuned in.
While your home doesn't need scents to just have the overall freshness about it, but I say the right scent definitely makes your home feel fresher, cleaner, and definitely inviting. Here I have number one DIY alternative, and it is a natural, whether infused with an essential oil fragrance for your space. You will need a spray bottle of choice to use, along with some alcohol, a funnel if you have a very small jar or a spray bottle that you're going to place all of your items inside of, just a few drops of essential oil along with a little alcohol mixed with some water, and you give it a vigorous shake and just spray it around your room to infuse it with a beautiful scent of your choice. Here I am using a little peppermint along with vanilla. I like a little sweetness along with a little spark of energizing scent of peppermint to get you going throughout the day. Here you'll see me using these dried florals. A few weeks ago I did a floral arrangement, and once the floral arrangement was in its course, I dried the flowers because I enjoyed looking at the colors. Placed them inside of a small bowl. Use it almost like a potpourri scented. I'm going to just spray it with the scent made and continue to look at all the pretty colors of the flowers. We have a good eco-friendly cleaning all-purpose spray. It is a lavishingly lovely scent that will linger on after you have done your cleaning, and it is infused with an essential oil. This one I have purchased from my local at-home store where you can pick it up. It is in the scent lemon and peppermint. Very invigorating, refreshing, clean scent. Here I have another DIY alternative. It is a scent bead room spray. You're going to use some hot water. So I'm just going to fill my pink, pretty tea kettle with water. And you're going to get that very, very warm. And I'm going to use some scent beads. And these are your laundry scented beads. And they have a beautiful, fresh fragrance. And you can use the desired scent of your choice. You're going to need a spray bottle, preferably one that is ceramic or glass. You can use plastic as well. I just like the glass ones or ceramic because they have a little bit of a lovely appearance, along with a little baking soda and a funnel if your jar has a very small mouth, or rather a small opening. Then I'll place the beads inside, and I did put a few more than I desired, so I had to water it down. You have to make sure that, again, that your water is warm because you want it to dissolve all the beads completely. Once you have put all of your items inside of your jar, give it a good vigorous shake, and again, make sure that it is completely dissolved. Also, give it a test in an inconspicuous area if you're going to do a light misting over your furniture or on your drapes to make sure that it does not stain. I haven't had any problems with it, and I use it very often. And it works so well under your sheets on your mattress. This option here is very simple and easy to do. Some basic dryer sheets. And as you can see here, I'm using the Fresh Snuggle fragrance. And you're just going to take those. I had to replenish a little bit of my stock and place them inside of a rather cute vessel so that you get that enjoyable feeling as well whenever you're doing your household chores. I like to have visual appeal as well as functionality. So you're just going to take your dry sheet and then you're just going to lightly brush it right over whatever surfaces you want that is a fabric. You can brush it along your curtains and your pillow covers. Also, it is a great dusting object to use for dusting and wipe away those dust bunnies along the blinds, as well as leaving behind a lingering fresh scent. Next option, simplistic and no cost. Open up those windows and let the fresh air in. Next we have here, of course, is a beautiful smell of a preciously pretty candle. You can find this Etsy shop, link down below in the description box. And again, this is in the fragrance Pretty. It is a beautiful bursting floral aroma filled with jasmine and hints of vanilla. Soft and pretty. Again, this is a easy, simple do, pretty much free, some general household baking soda. All you're going to need is a vacuum and a little baking soda. Sprinkle it right on top of your carpet. Let it sit for at least an hour or maybe even longer. Go ahead and vacuum it up and your room will just smell very fresh without any fragrance. Some people just want fresh and clean, and that's a sweet thing as well. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. You can take away one of these options, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful, not only for yourself, but for someone else. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.